Here's the app called Luna, your moon phase calendar. So you can just go and install it here. So that's the idea. Embark on a journey of self-discovery in harmony with Luna, your go-to app for moon calendar, spiritual growth, and personal well-being. Designed for those who seek a deeper connection with themselves and the universe, Luna offers a blend of ancient wisdom and modern insights, moon calendar and astrological insights, meditations and breath practices, mood journal, wisdom and learning. So that's what it is. And then you can just open it up. Here you can just enter your name. You can see your date of birth. Then select your plan, annual, $40 annually, $10 weekly, or $20 per month. Then choose your plan. And then you can allow notifications, and then you can see like moon phases. You can see some daily wisdom, but that's locked. Birth chart. You can also enter all of this data and then also check your moon compatibility and then human design chart. So yeah, all kinds of data like that. So yeah, try it out.